Watermelon is not only refreshing but also packed with numerous health benefits. Here are some key advantages. Hydration. Composed of about 92% water, watermelon is excellent for keeping you hydrated, especially in hot weather. Nutrient-rich. It contains vitamins A and C, which are important for skin health and immune function. Low in calories. Watermelon is low in calories, making it a great snack for weight management. Antioxidants. It's rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which may help reduce the risk of certain cancer and support heart health. Amino acids. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Digestive health. The fiber content can aid digestion and promote a healthy gut. Heart health. The potassium in watermelon helps regulate blood pressure and may support cardiovascular health. Skin benefits. The hydration and vitamins can contribute to healthier skin. Eating watermelon can be a delicious way to boost your overall health.